A new AI is here, and it could shake up the entire AI world. Meet DeepSeek, China's answer to ChatGPT. But what makes it different? And could it be the future of AI? Let's break it all down in just 5 minutes. DeepSeek AI is an open-source large language model developed in China by a company called Hangzhou DeepSeek. Unlike ChatGPT, which is closed source, DeepSeek is completely open, meaning anyone can access and modify its code. Here's the crazy part. DeepSeek reportedly trained a model comparable to GPT-4, but at a fraction of the cost. While OpenAI spent over $100 million, DeepSeek did it for just $6 million by using optimized scaling laws and better training techniques. But is DeepSeek actually better? Let's compare. In some tests, DeepSeek matches ChatGPT in writing, logic, and even coding. But where does it fall short? It struggles with complex reasoning and creativity, and some users report its answers can be more restricted. But here's the concern: DeepSeek is completely open source. That means anyone, even hackers, can modify and misuse it. Governments are also worried about security risks. In fact, Australia recently banned DeepSeek on all government devices due to security concerns. It's causing waves across the industry. Some experts say its efficiency could reduce demand for high-cost AI chips. In fact, NVIDIA's stock price dropped after DeepSeek's success was revealed. Could this change how AI models are built in the future? So, could DeepSeek actually replace ChatGPT? The short answer: not yet. ChatGPT still has an edge in deep reasoning and creative responses. But DeepSeek is catching up fast. If it keeps improving, we might see a future where OpenAI finally has a serious competitor. Want to try DeepSeek yourself? It's available for free as an open-source model. You can access it through GitHub, test it online, and even tweak the code if you're a developer. But be careful, open-source AI means no guarantees on safety or reliability. DeepSeek isn't just another AI model, it's part of a bigger strategy. China is investing billions into AI development to compete with the US and Europe. Could DeepSeek be the first of many AI breakthroughs from China? So, will DeepSeek change the AI landscape? Or will OpenAI and Google stay ahead? What do you think? Should we trust open-source AI like this? Comment below and let's discuss. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI breakdowns.